shit! Oh my... There was actually police earlier, but they didn't see nothing. I was in the middle of the road and they didn't mind it. So I guess I'm not disturbing anyone. But let's jump in because I don't want to cause any issues for the people around here in the traffic. And knowing that there's police ahead, of course, we're not gonna do nothing stupid.
5 minutes later.
Fuck! Wow! Wow! This is so beautiful to drive around. Wow! Whoa! This is sick. Oh, look, we got some lakes around here. I would love to maybe park somewhere. Look how beautiful this is. And you can see London as well. Wow, this can be. I hope I'm not waking anybody up. But this is sick. Wow. This is so beautiful. I love it. All right, left or straight? Where should we go? I know that area, but I think I'm gonna continue with this one because it just looks really good. Absolutely crazy. Oh my days. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my god. Alright, let's slow down because we don't know what car that is ahead, and we want to make sure we are safe before anything, if you know what I mean. That road is absolutely beautiful. I did drive on it before, but only in daytime, never at night. Whoa. Alright, let's go left. This road is nice, but not fully nice somehow. Alright, oh shit! Oh my, no way, what is this? No way. Guys, now you tell me if I'm crazy. I pay over £400 a year on road tax, and then the roads are in this kind of state. It's just crazy. It's just crazy, man. I'm gonna end up fucking up my car because they can't fix some roads, and then there's road works everywhere, and at the end of the day they don't fix nothing. It is what it is, I guess. I'm gonna actually go right. So I just tried to get some outside shots, but it's just impossible because I didn't get no tripod. So this is very hard. So I just gave up, and now I'm driving to a spot. Oh shit. Dog unit. Well, I think we're still gonna do it. I'm sorry guys for not talking, but I'm really paying attention here. And I think my passengers, because yeah, earlier I went to pick up Raul, but I think he's enjoying this. I don't know how it feels as a passenger, but as a driver I love it.
It's really fun for us as a passenger. It's fucking great. Already.
What is he saying?
It's very, very good. The feeling is like do up and down, busy.
Alright, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drop you off there and we do a flyby or something, yeah? But how does it feel as a passenger?
It feels fast and aggressive, especially because you keep on flipping the throttle.
Is he faster than the Golf R? Clearly not.
I don't know, man. Like,
It gives you the feeling, but it's
the
not.
Golf R was faster, but I feel worse in this than in the other one.
Because you know there's actually always a risk where the back end always go too. It's the adrenaline as well.
I was expecting it, I was feeling it, I was ready for it. It wasn't that bad. But this one, when you float it, it's like
You're not too ready for
I
it.
need to get ready for it. And obviously, I'm a bad passenger as well. Right? You know, I'm a bad passenger. Even
Yeah.
if I drive normal, I get dizzy sometimes.
Yeah, I know, bro. I know the way you are.
Don't let the throttle go, just fucking kick all around. Your back kicks left and right. What you wanna do here?
Yeah, I'm gonna drop you here. What's that?
Fuck, hell. That's it, brother. Let me get the fuck out. I'm done with this. Now I'm fucking done, bro.
Alright, so Raul said that he doesn't want to be in the car again. He was not expecting me going crazy earlier, but oh shit, what do you think, bro? Should we do it quickly?
I don't know, man.
Let's go, bro. What the fuck?
You wanna do it?
Yeah, bro, of course. Let's
Huh?
go. Yeah.
And let this van come out, look.
Do you think it's gonna come out?
Yeah. Let's turn around a bit, innit? Easy, bro. I'm fucking sick.
I'm sorry, brother. I don't think they're coming out, bro. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe because it helps me a lot. Thank you for joining me and helping me record this video.
No problem.
And I will see you guys next time. Bye.